Flaccid, limpy, limpy. Flaccid, limpy, limpy. Hip, mil, this half.
Stacy, personally speaking, why don't you join me?
Hi everybody, Stacy personally speaking, still in Japan. Just a quick video. This is a green plantain that I had frozen. It is now quite flaccid, limpy, limpy. And I'm going to try to see how to prepare it, if I can just do it as usual, or I'm going to have to resort to making porridge, or what the outcome is going to be. So yeah, this is my green plantain. I'm using a small one. Yep. So what I've observed so far is that it has a lot of moisture when I cut it, even though I use this paper towel to dry it on the outside. But as I cut it, there's just more and more moisture. So I have decided not to put everything in the frying pan at the same time, just 3 pieces so far. And I can hear the cackling sound of the fire, of the oil rather. And I'll see what happens. I'll let you know, keep you posted. There they are, still on the first side. Still on the first side. I'm not so skilled to operate this camera and flip with my left hand, mind you. Just, ooh, I did it. Little flip there. I'm just kind of flip it over. Oh, all right, all right. Oh. Can you hear the fire? Still has that moisture in it. Interesting so far. I'm still not doing any more than what is in the pot right now. Let's give it a few more minutes. Well, so far so good. The pressing process wasn't difficult or out of the ordinary. Yeah, just waiting for the taste test. Ready for the taste test? I certainly am. Frozen green plantain, defrosted, pat dried. Let's see. Alright, so before I actually taste it, one thing I did observe was that it got darker much faster. I don't know what kind of chemical oxidation process was going on, why it happened so quickly, why it got so dark so quickly. I don't know, but here's the taste test. This is the first one that I took out of the fire. There's no salt or anything on it. Green plantain, previously frozen, defrosted, pat dry, fried as usual. Let's go. Oh, it's a little bit hard. I know I usually see like when persons are making fries and they want it extra crispy, they do some freezing thing, and that's supposed to make it crispy and stay crispy longer. This is the same process that I would have used for normal plantain, green plantain that was not in the freezer, and they don't usually come out this, not just crispy, but a bit hard to bite. Really crispy, but a little harder than normal, you know, but it's good. Maybe what I'll try to do is not to press them as thinly as I normally would, and see if that makes a difference. But I guess I'm just going to fry the rest of this as is. Maybe tomorrow I will try to make green plantain porridge with another frozen one, and see what texture and, you know, how that has been affected. Thanks for checking it out. Just a follow-up, I made it a little thicker. Listen, when I want them thin, I make them very thin. So let's do a taste test to see if the hard biteness of it makes a difference. It still has that kind of hard to bite exterior, even though inside's a little softer. But it feels less like it's going to break my teeth than the first set.
Like, share, and subscribe. Put a comment below this. Check out the description.